Hi guys and gals. Figured this would be an easier way to address the celebrations release tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern Time, in case you forgot. Anyways, I sent out an email blast a few days ago with some information giving the dates and times, giving the approximate price tags and things like that. I got a bunch of emails back with some concerns. The biggest one was the no limits aspect. A lot of people are worried that items are just going to get bought up like that, and it's not going to be fair for everybody. First off, this method that I'm going to attempt with celebrations, I did with the EV tins, I did it with the V-Union sets that came out, and quite frankly, I really liked the outcome. I liked the way it worked. And I think it worked a lot better for everybody. It was a lot less policing on my part. And quite frankly, no matter what kind of implementations I used to try to limit items per purchase, there's always ways around it. So anyway, so we're doing away with the no limits things. However, things are going to be coupon related to get you guys stuff at a decent price. So the website's changed a little bit. I got an app, or basically a program that runs in the background now. And I wanted to give you guys a heads up. You know, I know it's only a day in advance, but you can head over to the website. But I'm doing this walkthrough so you have a visual of how to utilize it, and hopefully it'll give you, a little bit of time to play around with it and kind of test it out. The other big concern I had from people is bots. To be honest, guys and gals, I don't think bots are really an issue on my website. Quite frankly, Good Luck Have Fun Games is not that popular. I only have about just shy of 300 people on my mailing list, and my social media skills are pretty lackluster, so it's not like I'm a big influencer or have any sort of massive following outside of the mailing list. And on average, when I do a drop, the average order takes about a minute to start processing. So it's not like things are going up on the website and then boom, they're all gone instantaneously. So I really don't think bots are an issue. But I'm going to try something else in correlation with this new coupon feature to kind of quell everybody's fears. It's something that I've not seen done on another website, so we're going to try it out and hope for the best, I guess. So anyways, the visual part of how this is going to work. Let me pull up the website here. Hopefully you can see the cursor. Sorry, I don't have any fancy program that highlights the cursor. It's up there on the black in the middle, moving around. So the first thing you're going to notice anyways is this blue banner here. Now that's always been there, except for the fact that it used to just say free shipping at $100. It was kind of like my advertisement to make sure everybody knew that as long as you added $100 to the cart, you weren't charged shipping. Now it's just going to be a promotional thing. So, oops, should have been over here. All right, so landing page. If you click up here under the promotional tab, or actually you can click anywhere on that banner, so you don't have to be terribly precise, especially since when things drop, everybody is going to be in a hurry. You're going to see first off that automatic coupon for free shipping now shows up. It's just going to be there by default. I mean, it already was there by default, but there was no way for you to really keep track of that. So now you're going to see that up there. It'll tell you exactly, like if you buy I think it's what, $15.95 or something for a sleeve blister of Evolving Skies with the promo code, or the promo card, and the coin. So if you put one of those in your cart, it's now going to say, hey, you need to add $94.05. It'll keep tabs for you, so you don't have to quite do all the math. And some of you miss free shipping by like $2 or something like that, and I wonder sometimes if it was intentional, like you just didn't want to spend the extra $2 to not spend $8, or you know, whatever. If it was just a mathematic error, and it's like, well, it is what it is. But this should help you. The second thing, well, let's go ahead and click some items here. So let's see. The big item that everyone's going to be after for celebrations is this bad boy right here. I think I told you all I am not getting a second wave of stuff that's most likely going to hit the website. Yeah, I just that and mini tins. I do have a few displays coming for wave 2, but there's no third wave of them for sure. And when I say a second wave, I'm talking literally a couple items. So if you want these, I don't know how other businesses, how their allocations went. So I can't speak for everybody. I'm only speaking for myself. But these are going to be the big ticket items. So we'll use these as an example. So if you come down here, you click this item here. What I'm doing to fight bots is now, instead of telling everybody the coupon code in an email ahead of time, or putting it on Instagram or Facebook or whatever, the coupon code is going to be right within the listing. Nobody is going to have any type of heads up. They're not going to be able to pre-program it into a bot. It's literally going to be all manual entered at the time of purchase, basically, or when you add it to your cart. Now, in the past, you've only been able to do one coupon code at a time. This new promotion should stop that. You're supposed to be able to put as many in as are available on the website. So what we're going to do here is, say you want to add an ultra premium collection to your cart. Okay, they are not going to be $1,000. Okay, even at drop, they're not going to be $1,000, and you have to use the coupon to, it's not. You can have as many as you want, but you got to pay $1,000 a piece. No, they're literally like this, so I can do this video and not have to worry about somebody coming in and snagging one while I'm doing this this video for you guys. If somebody does happen to snag one for $1,000, well, then I guess they're going to get it for $1,000, and I'm going to definitely stick to that no refunds on pre-order policy that I have. But anyways, moving on. So what's going to happen is you're going to add one to the cart, same as always, nothing really special there. But right down here, this is where you're going to find your coupon codes for each individual item. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to use the coupon test UPC. Test UPC is not going to be the final code. Don't save that code. It's not going to work. But for those of you that are slow typers, you're going to appreciate this. You can highlight it. You can click copy, or tap it on your phone, or however you decide to do it. You copy that. You go up here to promotions, and right in this field, right here, enter discount code. You can paste it and add. Okay, right there. It's going to add the discount code to get it down to that normal pricing for a single item. Now, there's a bunch of little things up here. This section tells you how much in total you saved. This gives you the total amount in your cart versus the total amount that it would be without the coupons. It's just some extra stuff to kind of incentivize buying more, I guess. I don't know, it's marketing. But anyways, so what you can do now is, instead of going to the cart or however you would normally check out, it's got a checkout button right here. You just click that. Okay, and it will take you right to the checkout screen. And you'll start seeing all the discounts and everything up here like you normally would. Let's see, I want to continue shopping though. Let's go back. The other thing about this app is you didn't used to be able to see coupons within the shopping cart. This is now going to keep you up to date while you're actually in the shopping cart. You can see all the discount codes here, anything that was applied automatically or that you typed in manually. It's just going to give you a full rundown without having to go all the way to the end of the the buying process and then be like, oh, there's the discount, or get there and be like, I thought I typed in the the coupon, why is it not showing up? So this should help with that. You can also edit your can edit your numbers in here, and it will, update coupon codes if they're allowed to have multiple per item and things like that. So this is kind of where the coupon codes are going to help not have somebody come in and buy them all. So the way Celebrations, all the items are priced right now at just under fair market value. Okay, so an ETB is priced right around, $90 or something like that. That's what they're selling for on eBay. I'm not getting into MSRP versus fair market value. Like, everyone has their opinions. It is what it is. But they're all priced at the current selling rate. And then you use the coupon to get them down closer to the MSRP mark that I told you all I'd try to get for you. So what's going to happen is the coupons are single use. So you see I added a second box here, but the coupon didn't change. Okay, so go back to one. It's $100 with a $200 discount for one box. If you add two, it goes up to, double the price, $2,000, but it still only gives you the discount one time. You still only get a $200 discount, regardless of whether you buy one box or whether you buy a bunch of boxes. That's the reason I'm doing the no limits. If somebody really wants to pay full market value or fair market value for an item, I'm done kind of policing that because, yeah, I'm just done. It's a lot of wasted time and effort on my part to try to police that, and I really don't like policing adults. It's just not my thing. So that's how we're going to try to disperse things fairly. Most people really don't want to pay full market value or fair market value for stuff, especially if they're buying it to flip it. Again, if you're buying it and you're an investor and you buy it to hold, like, that's great. That's your prerogative. We're not going to get into whether people think it's good or bad or whatever. Your money, you do what you want with it. But this is what I'm doing to help kind of encourage people to buy one and let others have some too. So let's go back to another item here. The ETB. It's another hot item. Again, priced at $1,000. It's not going to be priced that high. It's going to be priced at fair market value. But the same thing. So you go up here, click promotions. Well, first off, you want to add it. Sorry, excuse me. Add one to your cart, or add two to your cart. Oh, now we've got three. And I didn't populate the website with that many. Okay, now we've got two in our cart. All right, go up here, click promotions, use the coupon, blah, 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 blah. So you're gonna copy that right there, Control C, and you're gonna enter the coupon code right there and add. And there we go, test ETB. You just saved $500 on your ETB, woohoo. Same thing, you can click the checkout button here. And I gotta quit saying that. Don't click checkout unless you're ready to check out. Click your shopping cart if you need to edit stuff. But for the sake of this, we'll in the checkout screen here. So it was two at $1,000, $2,000, and then the coupon was only applied one time. Okay, the coupon is for $500. It's not going to be for $500. Again, testing purposes. So you see $1,500 here. Okay, so anyways, that's really it. There's nothing too terribly fancy. I know it might be a little annoying to have to type in a bunch of coupons, but quite frankly, I haven't figured out how to add the coupons automatically at this point. So sorry, maybe a future release I'll figure out how to automatically add the coupons for you. I do try to make this as simple as possible, as fair as possible. So anyways, as always, if there's any questions, you guys have my email. You can message me on Facebook, you can message me on Instagram, you can, I don't know, reach out however you normally do. And I hope this was helpful. See ya. Remember, tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern Time, be there because stuff is going to go very, very quickly.